for Alec Murdaugh. The disgraced former lawyer is sitting in a South Carolina prison right now, serving 2 life sentences for killing his wife and son. During his trial, jury deliberations took just under 3 hours after 28 days of court proceedings.
Guilty, verdict, verdict, guilty, verdict, guilty, signed by the foreperson.
It was the longest trial in South Carolina criminal history, and during it, Murdaugh took the stand in his own defense.
I can promise you I would hurt myself before I would hurt one of them.
For prosecutors, the key in a case based mostly on circumstantial evidence came from a cell phone video that placed Murdaugh at the murder scene. But as you know, his legal troubles, they are far from over. He also has been indicted on 99 charges stemming from various alleged financial crimes. Attorney Eric Bland represents the family of Gloria Satterfield. She's the late Murdaugh housekeeper who died after what was described as a trip and fall accident at Murdaugh's home. Bland says he expects the Attorney General's office to move full speed ahead on those cases.
The state of South Carolina has got their foot on Alex Murdaugh's throat, and they're not going to let up.
Attorney Bland and his law partner, Ronnie Richter, were the first attorneys to bring Murdaugh's financial misdeeds to light. The convicted murderer admitted to pocketing a multi-million-dollar insurance settlement owed to the Satterfield family after Gloria's death at the Murdaugh family home in 2018. Bland does not expect Murdaugh to plead guilty on any of the financial crimes, however.
Think of how he's manipulated and wasted judicial and legal resources. On the Labor Day shooting, he made him bring in a sketch artist to do a sketch of somebody that he knew already had shot him, which was Cousin Eddie. So he wasted money and 3 days worth of investigation before he came clean on that. He wasted 2 years of law enforcement time and money to prove that he was at the kennels. He's a very dangerous man, and he's going to utilize every legal avenue and right that he has, irrespective of how long it's going to take and the cost.
Last week, Murdaugh's defense team filed a notice to appeal his murder convictions. They said after sentencing that grounds for appeal could include the fact that Judge Clifton Newman allowed evidence of Murdaugh's alleged financial misdeeds to be admitted as evidence, and the fact that Murdaugh's Fifth Amendment rights were violated when the state asked him why he didn't admit to being at the family dog kennels just minutes before the murders.
The motive here of the financial crimes were so much entwined with the double murders that there's almost no way around that. I don't think that's going to hold up on appeal. The second issue, the post-Miranda silence, I don't think that's going to hold up either. I mean, they seem very confident about it, but I don't think that that's something that's going to hold up because of how much Alec Murdaugh talked after the crimes.
The next steps in the appeal process include a memorandum with several documents that will explain the defense's grounds for appeal, but a transcript of the trial's testimony has to be typed up as well, and that could take at least 6 weeks or more to get done. Now to the forecast. Several first alert